Well, hey, real estate fans, welcome back to the podcast, HomeNest Property Management. I'm Alice Lima, I'm principal broker at HomeNest Property Management. And today we're going to talk about how the lower interest rates that came down this week from the feds, plus fall chores, regular maintenance, can increase profits on the bottom line of your real estate investment business. So first and foremost, let me say thank you, Federal Reserve Bank, even for the little mini cut in interest rates. It is helping the real estate investment community, and many investors are lining up to refinance, and that affects their monthly mortgage payment and affects their bottom line, right? So, but the other thing that can affect your bottom line is regular maintenance. And here we are, the start of the fall 2025. I want to give you a list of chores to do on all of your buildings. And if you're buying new ones, then you can also check, this could be a checklist for part of your inspection. So a lot of people know to clean their gutters, but they don't know to run a hose through the gutters and look for leaks. And also run it down the downspout, because even downspouts can leak or not function properly. They might have blockages and we don't even know because they're usually metal and you can't see through them. Maybe somebody should invent see-through downspouts. That would be, I don't know, maybe that's not a good idea. But make sure when you're cleaning that afterwards you run water through everything and patch up any leaky. It's usually the joints, so patch that up. Dryer vents, the vent that goes to the exterior of their house, make sure that's clean. It's a fire hazard, first and foremost. And if you do it just a couple times a year, then you don't have to worry about it. And HomeNest has people available who can do that. Changing your air filters inside, and also think about having the HVAC units serviced. We're going into winter. The furnaces are going to start kicking back on. So maybe consider sending out a furnace person to just check it over real quick and do a little seasonal servicing. If you're just going to do air filters, that's still good, worthy effort. And HomeNest is available to change air filters for you as well. Caulking and checking the gaps in the siding. The exterior takes a beating during the winter. Go around now while the weather's still nice and see if any of the siding has shifted a little bit. Make sure you caulk it, maybe touch it up with a little bit of paint. Trees and bushes, if they grew over the summer and they're overhanging, get them trimmed. We really don't want any canopies over our roofs anymore. It's hard on the roof, it's hard on the gutters, creates moss. So make sure you get those canopies trimmed up more vertically, or maybe just a little bit of canopy. And plants, any plants that are touching your buildings, try to get them as much as 8 inches away. 6 inches is fine, but 8 is better. And you know what else? These regular chores, if you do these every year, it adds longevity to your buildings. The buildings themselves last longer. But you know what else the other side effect is? Tenants appreciate a well-tended building. They'll pay more and they'll stay longer. And that's how your bottom line is positively affected. So that's our podcast for today. We'd love to hear from anybody who got refinanced and what rate they got. I can't wait to hear about that. But also give me a call, give me a text. Let's talk about what you want to do next in your real estate life. We're full service outfit here. We can not only help you with your rentals, we can also help you acquire more rental properties, and we can sell ones that you don't want anymore, even including putting you in a 1031 exchange. So give me a call, give me a text, 541-301-7980. It's 541-301-7980. Happy investing. Have a great Southern Oregon weekend. Bye now.